Hello kids, let's start the practice time. Write the beginning sound of the words. यानी कि यहाँ पे कुछ हमें अल्फ़ाबेट्स लिखे हुए हैं और हम इस पिक्चर को देखकर इसका फर्स्ट साउंड लिखना है और बोलना है. So this is the picture of sun. So we will write here S. S says sun. S-U-N, sun. This is the picture of a pot. P says P, P-O-T, pot. This is the picture of a hen. H-E-N, hen. H says her. This is a picture of a bug. So we will write here B. B says bug. B-U-G, bug. This is a picture of a dog. So we will write here D. D says dog. D-O-G, dog. It's a picture of a cat. C says at, cat. Jam. J. J says am, jam. It's a picture of pen. P says P-E-N, pen. 1, 0, 10. We will write here T. T says T-E-N, 10. So, today we have written here the beginning sound of the words. S-U-N, sun. P-O-T, pot. H-E-N, hun. B-U-G, bug. D-O-G, dog. C-A-T, cat. J-A-M, jam. P-I-N, pen. T-E-N, ten.